Alright, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Kedushas Levi. This week's Parshas Tetzaveh. We read in the book of Exodus, chapter 27, verse 20, Tetzaveh v'ikro elecha, and you should command the children of Israel to take for yourself pure olive oil. Says the Heilige Barditchev of Rabbi Levi Tzchum Sur Sashem Barditchev Schusigalin Klos Lamein Ki Menorah Nereseva Gam Amar Shivroa Moshe v'shar klei mishkan neged yeser b'chinas k'kein ha'havav yira v'simcha shel bari baruch. So the Heilige Barditchev of Zchus Yigaleinu explains the menorah, the candelabra, with its lamps, and also the vision that God showed Moses and all of the other vessels of the tabernacle, all represent tremendous archetypes, love and awe and joy of the blessed Creator. Araya, Ramosha loy hisik shum adam kamaimer v'lekam mnaviyod kamosha. The proof for this is that Moses saw, no other man in history ever saw anything like this, as we see the statement of Scripture in Deuteronomy 34, verse 10, that it says there never arose another prophet like Moses. That's why it says take for yourself, meaning not just the oil, not just the menorah, but the archetypes and the deep thoughts and the intentions that are there. Daika says specifically, meaning according to your intentions, that all of these things represent something much, much deeper, and that's what we have to understand. Really, everything is in the Torah. Of course, we have to do these things to activate these archetypes and to connect to them, but they represent something much, much deeper. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment, and we'll see you later.
Tenemos